In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow downloading on your video. If you share videos on Pinterest and want viewers to be able to save them to their device, there's a simple setting you can turn on. I'll walk you through it on the Pinterest website, and the flow is very similar in the app. Before we start, make sure you're logged into the correct account you use to post your videos. First, open Pinterest in your browser. Once the home feed loads, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see an area labeled Settings and Support. Click that to open up your account controls. This is where Pinterest keeps most of the preferences that affect how your content can be used and shared. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This opens your full settings dashboard where you can manage privacy, notifications, and permissions. If you're on a smaller screen and don't immediately see it, look for a gear icon next to the word Settings. In the Settings sidebar, find and select Social Permissions. This section controls how other people can interact with your content beyond Pinterest itself. It's the right place to adjust whether your videos can be downloaded or shared outside the platform. Now, look for the option labeled Allow Downloads and Sharing. Toggle this on to let people download your videos from Pinterest. Turning this on helps your content travel further, especially if you want followers to reuse clips in presentations, mood boards, or offline inspiration folders. If you prefer tighter control, you can leave it off. Your content will still be viewable on Pinterest, but not downloadable. After you switch it on, don't forget to save your changes. Click Save to apply the update. This is important. If you navigate away without saving, the setting won't stick. Give it a moment and your preference should take effect across your account. If you use Pinterest on multiple devices, you may need to refresh the app or page to see the change reflected everywhere. A few quick tips. If the wording or placement looks slightly different, it can be due to regional updates or account type, but the social permissions area is where this control lives. Keep in mind that allowing downloads means viewers can keep a local copy of your video, so be sure you have the rights to everything in your clip, including music and logos. You can come back to the same setting anytime to switch downloads off if your needs change. And that's it. You've enabled downloads for your Pinterest videos, making it easier for your audience to save and share your content responsibly.